Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. You're watching Jovial Jyoti and this is me, Jyoti Sharma.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry.
And welcome back to another weekend vlog. So yeah, this weekend I actually have plans, not plans like having fun and all, but actually fun also, but I really have to visit a doctor because I'm having terrible hair fall here, and I'm planning to visit a hair doctor slash dermatologist, whatever you say, because just consulted and they said yeah they do, because I don't know yaar, if I stay here for long I'll get bald for sure. So any which way, for past few days I'm not liking Bangalore at all. First thing is I don't like it. I'm not liking it because of the rain and there are some more stuff that going on. I'm not liking it, and if it continues like that I'll leave, literally. But I have plans to stay. Let's see, I really don't know how it goes. So yeah, let's start the day. I am done already and I'm going for the doctor visit, but actually it's my off today and we still got work meet and I got screwed for not working. I mean, not today working, not performing, kind of all these stuff. And God, I mean, come on, when it's off you should leave, right? But just don't know what to say. Really don't know. I'm just going down waiting for my Rapido because my scooty is not working, and I have a scooty repair service time slot also around 5:30 or 4, so I have to come back home before that because my scooty is not starting and they have to pick up my scooty and take. So yeah, let's see. Just reached to the clinic and now I really don't know how it's gonna end, but let's see. Done with the doctor visit, and after that I came to a mall because really past few days were really difficult, so I thought I wanted to take a break. Yeah, I shopped a lot, and that I'm going to show you when I visit home. And yeah, it was good. I came, I had some good food, and good food, it means unhealthy food for sure. And I'm going to explain, like, I think I'll have to get some treatment and all. So for that, yeah, I'll give you an update. Just got my Rapido and sat, and now I'm going, and I'm literally getting my bike service call because they are waiting, and I really need to reach home as soon as possible. Just now reached home, and now I need to call the bike service people to check my bike because I want to get it done today only, and then I have to leave to again for my blood tests because I need some blood reports before I go for the treatment. So tired. So I checked with the bike servicing, it's not gonna happen today. So I just came, I took rest thoda sa, and now I'm going for the blood test. I booked an appointment and before 7:30 I have to reach for the blood test. So I'll get my thyroid test done, vitamin B, vitamin D, and all the deficiency, because I think I have multiple and there is a list of blood tests that I have to do. So yeah, I think I had previous thyroid, but then it got recovered, but the doctor said that you need to get it checked, and I don't know, he said about the PCOD or something, so I really don't know. Let's see, I'm just waiting for the Rapido to come, and then yeah, bike servicing is gonna happen next week now when I come back from home. Oops, that I'm gonna tell you later, guys. So yeah, let's go to doctor. So came to the doctor, and now I have to get my thyroid test done, and never in my life I have thought that I will do all these things without my father, especially because I usually visit doctor with my father, and now doing it alone. So let's see.
I don't know why, but I feel hospitals are one of the most boring places you'll ever visit.
Just got my blood test done, and I don't know why, but I was holding my shoulders so tight that my shoulders are paining right now, and just came down and I'm just waiting. I said they'll share me the report on the mail after 2 hours or so. but the physical report which I need to give it to doctor, they'll give me tomorrow. So yeah, and still I'm having shoulder pain. And just came back. Oh my god, nobody has switched on the lights also. Really tired, but I have so many works to do, so just cannot feel tired at all. Okay. By right now I am feeling like I'm done for the day, but I have some other works also to do. So I think I'm not done. So I'm just going to remove this. Literally, when that person was taking the blood, and I tightened my hand so much that my shoulder was pain. She's like, what happened? I said, my shoulders. And she's like, you are only tightening it and this, that. And now I have started getting this. It means I'll get fever and all now. Done. Any which way, whenever I have a good thing to visit, it'll happen. So, yeah. Yeah, it's done. ऐसे तो hurt नहीं करता है, but when that injection goes inside, it hurts. But yeah, better. I think I should change and I have to make some reels. I'm just thinking, what should I do? I should do, because I might not get any off now for next few days because I'll be busy. I have some work and some stuff. I have to do some skincare. Let's just see. And yeah, now finally done for everything. I have made my reel that I really wanted to, because अगर मैं आज नहीं बनाती तो मैं पक्का sure थी कि I would haven't, like आलस के मारे पक्का नहीं हो पाता. But gladly I did. And now it's time for some skincare, because from past few days I'm not having good days. I'm not well, so I'm not taking care of my health. Sorry, health, not health. Health is obviously not much good. Not taking care of my skin also. So now it's high time I should take care of my skin. I should do some skincare. And yeah. And yeah, that's it for this vlog. And yeah, you can see my face burning up. Whenever I have something good, I'll get this pimples burn. I don't know, this was because of fever and all. Yeah, I was like not really well, so for that. And I honestly, weekend was kind of exhausting. I mean, a lot of things, but the good thing is I'm going back home, and because it's my cousin's wedding and I just want to go. It's gonna be a short trip, but I really don't know. Right now, this part is very skeptical, so I really don't know whether I'm gonna come back to Bangalore or I am not gonna come back to Bangalore. I'm really not sure at this point, but we'll see. We'll see to that, but because right now I'm not sure. But yeah, I'm excited that I'm going back home. कुछ बहुत time नहीं हुआ है, hardly 1.5 महीने हुए होंगे मुझे आए हुए, and this is the first time when I'm feeling actually drained, like since I've moved. इससे पहले भी there have been places that I've moved, I've stayed alone, but here now I'm feeling like maybe the city is not for me. I mean, come on, people, it's just a hype for Bangalore, but you never know. I'm still sailing the boat. I haven't reached the other side, so cannot say anything. So yeah, if you have liked this vlog, like this video, and share it to your friends. I'm sorry, I was having chocolate, so for that. Share it to your friends, family, and please, those who haven't subscribed it, please subscribe it. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it, please. ऐसा लग रहा है अब भीख मांग के थक चुकी हूँ, but I'm not gonna give up, because this is at the end only thing that I love doing. So yeah, take care, be happy, and A lot of ups and downs are gonna come, but it's you who are gonna stay there for yourself. So just hang in there if you're having some bad days like I was having. In fact, yeah, but okay, it's okay. It's okay. It's fucking okay, actually. You're gonna sail through it. You're gonna have good days, and take care. Stay safe, and love you. Subscribe it, this channel. Bye bye.